from Catalyst Lending, and I wanted to touch base with you. I wanted to put this short video together about the HARP program. It's a new program. You're going to be hearing about it lots and lots in the media and the news, and I'm sure you're going to get lots and lots of advertisements about it. Now, here in California, so many people are upside down on their mortgages. What's exciting about this program, finally a federal program that is really going to help the homeowners here in California, is the HARP program requires no appraisal. So if you owe $400,000 on a house and it's only worth $200,000, doesn't matter. If you owe $100,000 and it's only worth $80,000, it does not matter. So that is super exciting. There are millions of homeowners here in California who are so far underwater, they just don't know how to get out of the fix. Now, if you could save a couple of $100 a month, this is how the feds think of this program. If we could lower your payments a couple of $100 each and every month by putting you into a fixed rate program, then what are you going to do? You're going to take that money and put it back in the American economy. You're going to have it to spend. Hopefully, maybe you'll invest or save some for a rainy day or children's college, but that's up to you. I'm working on a program right now. I'm working with one client who's basically not going to save anything a month. His goal is to pay his mortgage off early. His payments are going to be right about the same, and instead of 25 more years, he's going to refi into the low interest rates. We're looking at 3s and 4s as far as interest rates go. So tremendous program. He's basically going to pay the house off in 15 years, making the same payments he's making now. That saves 10 years of almost $2,000 a month in payments. He's super excited, obviously. You should be too, because this is a program that most people can qualify for. Now, the guidelines work like this. As far as we've been told, the program will be available in about a week to 2 weeks. Now, what we're trying to do is get people to basically cut to the front of the line, because there are going to be millions of people who are going to be refinancing their mortgages, and obviously the line is going to get long, so it makes sense to start now. The simple credit guidelines are no 30-day or more lates in the last 6 months, and no more than one 30-day late in the previous 6 months. Now, when you add that together, obviously no more than one 30-day late in the last 12 months, none in the last 6 months, and a reasonable income. We do have to document your income. We have to prove that you do make money and that you do have enough money to pay the mortgage off, mortgage payments. So super important. If you have a BK, a bankruptcy previously, that is okay. It doesn't make a difference as long as you hit the credit guideline. No more than one mortgage late in the last year and none in the last 6 months. Again, mortgage late means 30 days or more late on the mortgage. Bankruptcies don't matter. Foreclosures don't matter. None of those other things matter. Basic income, no minimum FICO score. So if you have a FICO score of 500, you can do this. Just super exciting. Now, another guideline is for the Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac must have purchased this loan. It has to be a Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac loan. We can easily check that for you. Just call us with your address. Fannie Mae must have purchased it, or Freddie Mac must have purchased it by June 1st, 2009. So if you give it about a month for that transaction to go through, you have to assume that you closed on this loan, whether you refinanced or whether it was a purchase loan. Doesn't matter, but we assume that it must have been before April 30th, 2009. So if you just purchased a home in the last year or so, this program, unfortunately, is not for you. But millions of people will qualify. It's going to be very, very easy to do so. But you do want to get in line now. You want to cut to the front of the line instead of having a million people in front of you. So really important. If some people want to either put somebody on the title or take somebody off the title, that is also available. That's not a problem. That is part of the program that does allow it. If you pay PMI, basically mortgage insurance, you will continue to pay PMI at the same rate that you're paying now. And if you have no PMI before, even though you're now above 80% loan to value, basically, you will not, if you don't pay it now, you will not be able to have to pay it. If you have a second mortgage, a second cannot be consolidated with the first with the HARP program. A second mortgage must do what's called subordinate to the new first mortgage. And I think most of the lenders that are carrying second mortgages are going to be willing to do this because they figure, look, if you're making your payments on time now, you'll continue to make your payments if they lower your payment. So great program. I'm super excited. Millions of people are going to be able to take advantage of this. Now, my Catalyst Lending mortgage office is in Rancho Cucamonga, California. The phone number there is 888 area code 890-6087, or you can call me on my cell phone at 310-350-2546. Now, I want people to understand that the largest purchase of their life is a mortgage. It's not even a house. If you buy a $200,000 house, sounds like a large investment, and it is, but on average, you're going to spend over $400,000 to pay that house off. So would you, simple question, would you entrust your mortgage to a rookie? I have 20 years lending experience in this business. I've been a loan officer. I've been a manager. I've owned my own businesses. I know this business. I know what it takes to get the job done. Please go with the mortgage pro, not the mortgage rookie. Again, my phone numbers are 888-890-6087 or cell phone 310-350-2546. My name is Chris Trapani, and I look forward to hearing from you.